Hey guys, it's Stephanie with the For Sure family, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be making a wreath for St. Patrick's Day. So here you have the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. You have your wire round wreath, approximately 14 inches. There are three colors of mesh that I picked up. This is all that they had. Then you're also going to need some pipe cleaners. I suggest you cut those pipe cleaners in half so you can you won't have to do it in the end. It may seem like you won't have enough once you cut it in half, but it is the perfect size. So cut each one of them in half. Here I'm just saying, look, I'm not going to do one at a time. I'm going to just do them all. So I just clipped them all, and there you have it. Next, I'm going to go into cutting my mesh. And you want to do all of the meshes like this, all of the material. I didn't do any measuring. I know a lot of people were saying, oh, you want to do about 8 inches. No, what you want to do is pull this out to where it actually just makes a perfect curl. And then once you get it to the curl, just cut that piece. That'll be good enough. You don't have to measure it. It will all come out the same. And I did that with each one. I don't know if it was 8 inches, 7 inches, and it all came out perfect. Trust me. So here, as you see, I'm just pulling it. And as long as it curls like a little tube. Now that one didn't curl, but I noticed, I said, okay, I need to pull a little bit more. But as long as it curls completely, then you have a perfect length. That's good enough. And so I'm just going to pull each one of them. But I really do like the gold and how it pops. At first I was just going to do all green. But when I saw that gold, I was like, oh, no, I got to get this. But yes, I'm just pulling. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to do each one of them. This doesn't take as long as it seems. I think it took me to do all of them about 10 minutes. But as you see, so I have completed all of them, and you can see that I have a table full, not to mention what I have, on the side. So what I'm doing here is now I'm starting to make putting the 3 pieces together, and it's no rhyme or reason. It's however you want to put it. I was using each color, green, gold, and then the mix gold and white. So you want to take your pipe cleaner and you want to put it around the middle. You want to bunch the sides and then put it around the middle, and this twist is tight. I know that pipe cleaner is a lime green. Trust me, as long as you bunch that as tight as possible when you put them together, and then when you put your pipe cleaner on, twist it very tightly, you are not going to be able to see it. You won't see any color. I even have blue. I chose to use the blue at the last minute when I ran out of my lime green and yellow, but you can't see it. So if I was having a hard time finding white, that's the color that I really wanted, but I was having a hard time finding white, so I just picked up what I could, and it turned out wonderful. You can't see it. You can see it on the end right there, but trust me, when everything's put together, you will not be able to see anything. So I'm going to make a couple more, and then I'm just going to go off camera and make the rest. But here I'm taking just green, taking all green, tried to change it up so I can have more green in my wreath than gold. But like I said, it all comes together in the end. And again, that's just me twisting. Look at that wrist action. I think I was getting so caught up making it so tight. So let me just make a couple more of these, and I will come back and show you how to put it on your wreath wire. All right, so as you see, I've made my little flowers, or whatever you want to call it, my little mesh flowers, and I'm going to take and wrap them around the 2 middle wires. So I'm going to take both ends of the pipe cleaner, and I'm going to wrap them around the 2 middle wires and tie them just as tight as I did on when I was creating them. So you just twist. You don't have to actually put it in a bow or anything. Just twist, or a knot, or however, you just twist and it will stay there. It will stay intact. And then you just want to go around the entire frame doing the same thing. Just repeat the same thing. And like I said, I made way too many than I needed. I believe each section, as you see, there's a line going down, or a vertical wire going down each section. Probably 6 to 7 of these bunches went into each one. I literally counted, and each one was around 6 to 7. I think I had one that was 8, just to give it more. I just wanted to, make sure it was all tight. But you just go around doing the same thing, just twisting. And as you see, you're not seeing that lime green ribbon or the lime green pipe cleaner. Like I said, you will not see it. And you'll see in the end, when I finish this, you'll see that I have some blue. Like I said earlier, you'll see where I have some blue, and you can't see anything. So I was really happy about that, because I was nervous that that blue, it was pretty dark, that it was gonna show through, but it doesn't. And this mesh is very thin, so as long as you keep it tight, it'll come out just how you want it. So here I'm just going to show you how, once you start getting it together, once you start getting your section together, how it starts to just start looking nice, and you can see how it's going to turn out. But yeah, I'm just liking how it's coming out so far, just what it's looking like. Let's finish this up and then I'll come back. So this is the final creation. Look at that. That really came out pretty. I really like it. I'm happy with the results. And like I was saying, you see the blue. You can't see anything. You can't, and I had quite a bit on there. And you turn around, you don't see nothing. But I did also pick up these little charms. I felt like even though it had the green, I still wanted to add something to it. And whatever you do, whatever color you use, if you want to do it for Valentine's Day, if you want to do it for Christmas, they had these cute little charms made out of styrofoam and colored. And so I'm just going to take and hot glue them together. It's funny because I forgot how thin this darn material is. So, and that hot glue burned my hand, burned my finger, not too bad, but it kind of shocked me, because I was like, oops, yeah, this isn't thick material like I'm used to it. So you can see I'm trying to get some off my finger. But I'll tell you, when you first do it, it doesn't stick. So I was like, oh, is this going to even, stick good? But then, once you get it and you let it dry, oh, it's on there. It's going to sit on there good. So I just finished this up with putting the rest of these charms on it. I think it came out great for my first time. This really was my first time doing this. I enjoyed it. Next time I'll probably do a banner across, say something like Happy St. Patrick's Day or something. I think that would have been cute in the middle. So many things, so many possibilities that you could do with this. But it came out great. It was easy to do. And everything was from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy creating it. So be sure to, like I said, share our videos, leave a comment. If there's something else that you would like for me to do for the next holiday, I would be happy to do it. I love doing DIYs. So yeah. Thanks for stopping by and watching my video. See ya.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.